If you want to measure your knee motion after surgery, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure your knee range of motion without professional tools. Now, to measure your knee range of motion without using a goniometer, which is what we physical therapists use, you're going to use a tool that is available in most places that sell school supplies, and it's called a protractor. So the protractor has a flat side and has a curved side. So what you're going to do is you're going to use the flat side, you're going to line it up with your thigh, and then the center of that line, the center of your protractor, you're going to put it in line with the middle of your knee. So in this situation, the flat end is in line with my thigh, which is my femur. And then what you're going to do now is you're going to use this arm to line it up with your lower leg. Now, if your protractor does not have this arm, don't worry. You can use a ruler. What you just need is something that will line up with your lower leg and at the same time hit the number on the protractor. Now, the protractor has two sets of numbers. I don't want you to get confused. One is on this end, we'll start with the 0, and then the other one will start with a 180. You're going to be using the number that starts with the 0. So let's say my knee bending is this much. So this flat line here, flat edge, is in line with my thigh, and then this arm is in line with my lower leg, and the number that it hits on the protractor is around 64 degrees. So this tells me that this knee right now is bent on a 64-degree knee flexion. Is this accurate? You're more or less in that ballpark figure. To be really accurate, you have to see a specialist, and we will use a goniometer. But if you're at home and you're measuring it yourself, this is good enough for you. You're not that far off. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification. For extension, same thing applies. If I extend the knee, so let's say after surgery, your knee cannot straighten anymore and it can only go this much. So you're gonna have the flat end in line with my thigh, and then the arm in line with your lower leg. So this tells me that right now I have a 38-degree extension leg. So same thing, as you go straight, it will go perfectly straight. And if you bend more, then it will bend more. Now, if you want to improve your knee bending after surgery, check out this next video here.